Understanding remote care in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase remote care. This is a particularly relevant term in our increasingly digital world, and understanding it can be very helpful, especially in contexts related to healthcare and technology. Remote care is a compound noun consisting of two words, remote and care. Let's break them down. Remote generally means something that is far away in distance or time, or something that can be done from a distance. Care refers to the process of providing what is necessary for the health, welfare, maintenance, and protection of someone or something. When combined, remote care refers to providing care or assistance from a distance, typically using technology. Remote care is most commonly used in healthcare settings. Here are a few examples. Telemedicine. Doctors provide consultations or monitor patients through digital devices. Elderly care. Monitoring and assisting elderly individuals using technology while they live independently. Mental health. Therapists offering counseling sessions via video calls. It's important to understand that remote care implies a level of professionalism and responsibility. It's not just any help given from a distance, but structured, professional support. The concept of remote care is becoming increasingly important because it increases accessibility to healthcare for people in remote or underserved areas. It offers convenience and safety, especially important during situations like a pandemic. It represents a modern approach to healthcare and support, integrating technology into traditional care methods. Understanding this term helps us appreciate the changes in how care and support are provided in various sectors, not just healthcare. I hope this video helps clarify what remote care means and why it's a significant term in our modern world. Remember, it's all about providing care from a distance, leveraging technology. Stay tuned for more insights into interesting English phrases and their meanings. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.